Team on the Run is a cloud-based communications app for businesses. So basically you can send messages, whether they're text, they're video, their audio, locations, PDF files, all types of different things that you may need on your phone. So it's like a WhatsApp for business. We came up with Team on the Run because we noticed that the way that people communicate is changing a lot. So people have stopped using calls sometimes and emails, especially in their personal life, but also in their work life, because they need a response faster. They need something that is on the go, that is always there. Everyone has smartphones, or more and more people have smartphones. So, you know, they start turning to these mass market applications, and there's nothing that is business specific, that is organized or secure enough to be able to communicate fast and, you know, avoid email when it's too clunky, when you need to get the response right then and there. And that's why we came up with Team on the Run as a solution to bridge this gap between what's available in terms of work tools and being mobile, and what is coming naturally more and more to people in offices and in different industries to work with and communicate with. Some of the typical use cases are hotels, for example. We deal a lot with big hotels. Imagine a manager at a big hotel has to keep track of all these different teams, right? On a busy day, during, say, the summer period, you have the maids on one side, you have people at the reception desk on the other side, you have maintenance workers who are fixing different problems in the hotel, and then you have guests arriving last minute, or, you know, things that maybe you didn't count on at first, and you have to fix quickly and discreetly because you don't want to disturb anyone. Team on the Run is there, first of all, to replace noisy and heavy things such as walkie-talkies. You can turn your smartphone into a walkie-talkie. You have it right within the app. You can also use it as a manager to broadcast messages one-to-many. So you can either send a specific message just to one team. So say you need all of the maintenance people to know about a specific problem and you need them to act on it immediately. You send the message, you have message reception alerts, so you know for sure that they've received your message. They can message you back immediately, give you an update, send you a picture, you know, anything that you need, just know that everything is managed correctly. We deal a lot with maintenance workers of any kind, any company that has agents in the field fixing any type of machinery. Imagine in how many cases these maintenance workers get to their problem or get to the site of the problem without knowing exactly what it is beforehand. So then, they might be missing a specific instruction manual, or they might need to access any kind of document that they don't have with them right then and there, or they simply need to consult with a colleague. So that's what Team on the Run is there for. File transfer is one of the many useful features that Team on the Run has, and you can send many different kinds of files, not just a text message. That's why it's also better for doing business, because whether it's a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation, or you want to send a V-card, someone's contact information, you can send all of this securely through Team on the Run. And not only can you send it, but you can access it as well. A team member can send you, say you don't have it at the time and you're missing a contract or a PO or something to close a deal, and it's time sensitive because you're there and they've agreed to sign, but you're missing the document. It's okay. Through Team on the Run, you talk to your colleague who's back at headquarters and you say, hey, send me this document, I need it right now. And they store it in Google Drive or anywhere else in the cloud or an electronic management system, because we use Alfresco, for example. So you do that within the app. You don't have to exit and download the file and attach it to an email, none of that. You're going to have it right there within the app. You can access your cloud storage or wherever it is you have it stored, and you can send it securely, or you can just, look at it and show it from within your app. I'll give you a real use case of a problem, a big problem that could have been solved if they were using Team on the Run. I think it was last year that the Swedish police was discussing a confidential investigation that they were working on through one of these mass market messaging applications. And somehow, I'm not sure what the exact story was, but I know that they included a member inside of the group, the chat that they were using that was not part of the police force, and they were, sharing files and all types of classified information that was leaked. So you could avoid this with Team on the Run. Why? First of all, the corporate directory, so your company contacts are stored within the app, so they don't get mixed up with your personal contacts that are somewhere else in your smartphone, right? So it means that what you're sharing within the app, you're sharing at least to someone within the company. So you're sure of at least that. And then, of course the messages are encrypted, and we have other levels of security as well. Team on the Run is unique. It was conceived to be a fast, easy, and simple way to communicate through your app, so something that is coming more and more naturally to people now that are using their smartphones more and more. But it's at the same time a way to keep these communications organized, first of all, and secure, which means that it's the perfect way to do business. Getting Team on the Run is easy. The first thing you want to do is go to www.teamontherun.com, visit our website, you have more information there, but go to the Create an Account section. It's really easy, you don't have to add a credit card or anything because it's free during the first 3 months, and you create an account for your organization and you start to add users. This is going to prompt automatic email invitations or SMS invitations so that everyone in your company can download the app straight from the App Store or Google Play and start from there.